So we just finished the day 2 of our beauty workshop in Australia, where we started in Melbourne and then finishing off in Sydney. We presented the 3 trends for 2026 in the beauty industry: New Beauty Cellular Era, which is based on metabolic beauty; Sense of Human, which is around sensorial synergy; and Man-Made for Real, which is beyond the algorithm. It was a really great event where we had hosted our key customers together with our key partners, members from Ashland and Nagase. We also covered some of our other client products that met those trends, and a lot of insights, product prototypes were shared, formulation ideas, and we believe it brought a lot of insights to our customers for their next and future formulation and innovations to bring to the consumer. We're looking forward to doing more of these in the future and would love for you to come and join us next time.
I feel like today's event is really organized. I love how you separate into 3 sections according to 2026 trends. And everything is really organized. I really love the prototype that I can try the product on my hand. Like, I really love it, how it is sensational. Yeah, I really love today's event.
What stood out to me the most is the current trend. We're talking about the biocellular, we're talking about exosomes that are really being spoken about in the industry, but diving into it, it was really interesting and I've learned a lot from today. So thank you to DKSH, and please have more of this event.